Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Honda CB1000R Plus. So super cool bike. It's 2018 and it's on 4,465 miles from new. It's got a custom seat, it's got a Delkevic exhaust with a decat, and of course it is the Plus. So that gives you this little splash screen on the front that you might have just seen just there. Let you pan over so you can have a look. So that little flash screen there. The little aluminium side plates just down there. This one's got a rad guard too. It also gives you the Honda heated grips. It gives you the Honda quickshifter as well. And if you spec those individually, it'll cost you a fortune. And you also get this seat cowl on there. But you get a full digital display. You get different riding modes, traction settings, engine brake control, power modes, and of course ABS as well. So really good spec bike. And this one is super clean and looks ace with that custom seat as well. I'm sure it won't be here very long, so if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.